Question 5. The diagram below shows an experiment set up to investigate a property of carbon dioxide. Study it and answer the questions that follow. Carbon dioxide, combustion tube, carbon dioxide. Then we have a blue flame of gas X. Name one condition that is missing in the setup that must be present if the experiment is to proceed. Name one condition that is missing in the setup that must be present if the experiment is to proceed. Is eating copper dioxide? If the experiment was carried out properly, what observation would be made in the combustion tube? Black solid would turn brown. Give an equation for the reaction that takes place as gas X burns. This is the equation. Give an equation for the reaction that takes place as gas X burns. That is the equation. Why is it necessary to burn gas X? Because it is poisonous. Name reducing and oxidizing agent. Reducing agent is carbon dioxide. Oxidizing agent is copper dioxide. Identify any other substance that will have the same effects on copper dioxide as carbon dioxide. Hydrogen, or you can just say or ammonia gas. What would happen if copper dioxide was replaced with sodium oxide? Explain. There would be no observable change. This is because sodium is higher than carbon in the reactivity series and therefore has higher affinity of oxygen. Question 6. Trichlorine was collected by using the setup below with blue litmus paper. Name a suitable drying agent for the chlorine gas. Concentrated sulfuric acid. State one property of chlorine gas which facilitates this method of collection. It is denser than air. State the observations made on the moist blue litmus paper. It turns red, then white. It turns white, or you can just say it gets bleached. Chlorine was bubbled through distilled water. With the aid of an equation, show the formation of chlorine water. This is it. Write the formula of the compounds formed when chlorine gas reacts with warm dry phosphorus. Chlorine gas is mixed with moist hydrogen sulfide gas. State and explain the observations. A yellow deposit of sulfur is formed, or you can say a yellow deposit of sulfur is seen, and then chlorine oxidizes sulfur ions to solid sulfur. Chlorine oxidizes sulfide ions to solid sulfur. Give one use of chlorine gas. I'll give you 4. You can just write any one. Manufacture of hydrochloric acid. Manufacture of bleaching agents such as chloride used in cotton and paper in industries. Chlorine is used in the treatment of water and sewage plants. Manufacture of chloroform as an anesthetic. Manufacture of solvents such as trichloroethane. Question 7. Fractional distillation of air is used in industrial manufacture of oxygen. The diagram below shows the process. We have dust, particles, air, chamber A, liquid S, B, substance, compressor, fractional distillation, argon boiling point, nitrogen boiling point, have the Y. What is the process that is taking place in chamber A, B, M, and D? A, B, M, and D. A is filtration, B is absorption, M is isolation of water, and D is cooling. Question B. Name liquid S. Liquid S, that is liquid S. Substance T, this is ice or water. Explain why part Y in chamber D is curved. Why is this curved? To increase surface area for cooling. Give two industrial uses of oxygen gas. Oxygen is used to remove impurities during steel making. It is also used in cutting and welding of metals. In the laboratory preparation of oxygen, manganese oxide and hydrogen peroxide are used. Write an equation show how oxygen gas is formed. This is it here. F. An investigation was carried out using a setup below. Study it and answer the questions that follow. R. Air, water, nails, closed, air, nails, hydrous calcium chloride, closed, air, oil, boiled water, nail. State and explain what will happen in the 3 test tubes R, S, and T after 7 days. R, S, and T. R, rusting occurred because of air and water being present. S, no rusting. Water is absent. T, no rusting. Air is absent. Because we have the oil, yes. Give a reason why some metals are electroplated. To prevent rusting, to increase aesthetic value of the metal. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.